This compact and lightweight handheld vacuum cleaner is made for vacuuming mattresses, but when I noticed that the roller is made of rubber fins, I knew exactly what I was going to use this for: vacuuming up pet hair from carpeted stairs. Most vacuums that work well for pet hair have rollers made of bristle brushes, but rubber fins will work just as well, if not better. For stairs, I find that handheld vacuums are a must because full-size vacuum cleaners are too bulky and heavy to handle on the stairs. So this is how much dust, dirt, and dog hair was vacuumed up. Pressing down on the button above the start button releases the dust container. Pressing this bottom button will cause the bottom of the container to flip open and all the dirt and dust will fall out into the plastic bag. I got a clear bag so you can see this. Unfortunately, the hairball is not going to fall out easily, so I put on gloves to pull it out by hand. I'm taking the container out of the bag so you can see me pull out the hairball, but normally I would do this while the container is totally inside the bag, like this, pulling it out with the plastic between the hairball and my fingers, so I wouldn't even need gloves. See, there's still some hair stuck up there, but no worries. There's another way to get all the hair out of the container. Let me vacuum another stair step and collect some more dust and hair in the container. Again, I press the button above the start button to release the container, but this time, instead of the bottom button, I press on the top button, which allows the top cover of the dust container to be pulled off. And now I can pull out the filter assembly. You can see that the hairball is stuck to the filter assembly, so I'm going to put on gloves to pull it out. So this is another way to remove the hairball if it's hard to pull out through the bottom of the dust container. I'm reassembling the dust container. I press on the top button to help the top cover go in easily. Now I clip the dust container back on the vacuum cleaner by fitting the gray button into this slot, and then I snap it into place like this. You'll find that some pet hair is going to get caught in the roller, but rollers with rubber fins are not going to get terribly tangled with hair like the way rollers with bristle brushes can get, especially if you have long-haired pets. This vacuum cleaner works so well that it's going to be my go-to vacuum for the stairs from now on.